doing it the whole time at the club, just winding it up. They be like, oh, what's she gonna hit it? I'm not gonna hit it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and I am doing my first collab today with
my Kel Miller, also known as Natural Vegan Kel.
I will have the link to her channel all down in the description box. We have hung out, really all day today.
Yes.
The point of this collab is that we wanted to try the famous TTLA sandwich from Whole Foods. Now, if you're new to the vegan life or you just don't have any idea what we're talking about, I will insert a clip right here.
Ooh, I didn't know that in their deli, oh my God, they got a TTLA. And that's a tempeh bacon, tomato, lettuce, and avocado sandwich. I already ate one half of it, but good God almighty, oh my God.
So, she made it super popular among the vegan community, so we had to go try it. So you will go over to her channel to see our reaction when we first bit into it. We have all the ingredients right here in front of us, guys, and we're gonna see if we can recreate the TTLA. Let's get started.
And I'm so excited because I know Erin can cook. Like, I've seen it. She's made anything that I could think of, and I'm excited to see.
Okay guys, so neither me or Kels knew what ciabatta bread looks like in the store, so we got everything from Kroger, and this is just called white mountain bread. So we're gonna slice this and just toast it in the oven. This is the brand of tempeh we got, Light Life. This is just the original flavor. So what we did to make this mesquite smoky bacon like is we're going to use Liquid Smoke, my baby. Y'all know I love her. Let's start off with the special sauce. I already have just mayo here. 3 cloves of garlic. Before I add flavor to these guys, I actually want to taste one because I've never had plain tempeh before. So here we go. It's from no for me, y'all. It's from yo for me.
All right, here it goes. I'm not a tempeh person, but I'll do it just to see. See this? Fail. Nope, can't even chew it.
So we are all done cooking. Are you so excited?
Yes, you know I love to eat, so.
Yes, so let's build this sandwich, guys. Ooh. You know what we forgot, y'all? The lettuce and the BLT. This don't make no sense.
You have to sit on it.
Girl! Okay guys, so we have made our sandwich. I actually have the Whole Foods version here because once again, we went earlier today. So let's compare. All right, here is the Whole Foods version right here. Here is mine. Okay.
That's good. Really good.
That liquid smoke.
I'm telling you, I didn't even know what liquid smoke was until she pointed out in the grocery store, but I can tell it made a difference because it has that smoked taste.
That garlic, that infused garlic makes a huge difference.
That's a signature, I feel like.
That is, cause I just took the tempeh off.
That's hitting. She got some up her sleeve. I'm telling you.
So many vegans I saw on my Facebook page was not finding the TTLA at Whole Foods. I'm like, pretty sure you can just make it. So you don't have to go and spend how much was this, girl?
It was $8.48 exactly. I remember the price. $8.48.
So, like I told you, it is a big sandwich. This is half. But almost $9 for a sandwich.
Too much.
Too much.
I actually like this bread better than the other bread. Because I like soft bread. Softer bread.
Yeah,
so
ciabatta.
Yeah.
Let me stop playing with my food. It's $9 sandwich. Let me stop playing with that. It's a $9 sandwich. We're gonna put her gently back where she came from, okay? As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and check out Mrs. Vegan Kels' channel down in the description box, and I will see you next time.